So imagine being a few days from closing, your lender calls you, loan is denied, even after months of processing. Unfortunately, this is something that happens far too often. But in this situation, we were able to step in and help and get the loan cleared to close in 4 business days. So my buyer was actually selling their current home, and they had a buyer who's been in process for 3 to 4 weeks. Our loan was clear to close on their purchase, and all of a sudden we got the phone call, the dreaded phone call, that their buyer was unable to proceed forward and the loan was denied. Okay, so the agent reached out to me and asked if we could help and say, hey, can you reach out to this other buyer's agent, see if you can get involved, see if you can help. When we reached out, they were hesitant, obviously. We were able to get all of their paperwork. They had a very complicated income situation and, lots of different paperwork that we needed to do. We worked on that over 1 to 2 days, and we realized that we had an ability to move forward. My team stepped up, all hands on deck, and we put everything together and determined that we had an option. We then submitted the loan, okay? Now, the important part of this story is we were actually get them a rate almost a full percentage point lower than what they were getting from their previous lender. And the loan ended up getting clear to close in 4 business days. That's after all the hard work that we did up front, weeks of processing with the other lender, and we were able to take it over and get it clear to close in 4 days. So who you work with matters is something that we always say, but think about what happens when these transactions don't occur. You have sellers, you have buyers, you have other transactions down the line that are affected that cause a lot of hardship and financial impact to borrowers, to sellers, even to realtors. So it's important that who you work with matters. It's also important that when you're in these situations that you know that there are other options out there that can help you, that can step in and provide a much better experience. So this is one that we want to take a look back and we want to be thankful for, but there's nothing more important than now that both borrowers are in their home, closed, and nothing else to worry about.